Hi, today we are dealing with the series exclamation mark series. What we have to do is to remove an exclamation mark from the end of a string. How to go about that? Well, first of all, let's print the string and the last character, accessible by square brackets and putting in -1, because we are dealing with the last character. That's something that we have to check out. As you can see, the last character is a condition that we can use. What condition do I mean? Well, the following. The last character should be equal, with double equal sign, to an exclamation mark. No, that's a typo. It should be an exclamation mark, not a 1. Yeah. Okay. If the condition is met, then we do the following. Colon, we return the string, but sliced. Again, we use the square brackets, colon, -1 to print out all the characters from the start till the end, except the last character. That's the exclamation mark that we don't have to return. And then we can catch the other cases with an else statement, else, colon, we return the entire string without altering it. There we go. There we have a problem. Index error string index out of range. Oh, there's probably a string without a range. We can catch that with another condition. If the length of the string is less than 1, we just return the string. Attempt. There we go again. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.